back, everybody. Taking a look outside at beautiful Childers, Texas, on our Pan-Texas Skycam overlooking 280 Highway 287 in beautiful downtown. So looky there, quite cloudy day, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes, it is. Quite overcast day out there, but no rain, as that we know of. But it's a beautiful day outside. It's currently 61, about the high 60s outside. So this from yesterday up in Forgan, Oklahoma. This came in from Hillary Cohn, whatever. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Yesterday we did have a brief spin up tornado. This is what warnings are issued for. This is what we go on the air for. It's because of that right there. That's what we go on the air for. Is because of this right here? You can see it. You can see the funnel. You can see the condensation right around here on the ground, and that's what gives the tornado life. Is you have that condensation at the bottom, and then you have this spinning vortex, and it just releases. That's because we have that warm air and that cold air coming together. So 24-hour rainfall total, slap out Oklahoma, slapped it out of the park with 1.10 inches. Lipscomb coming runner-up, 98, Canadian 93, Beaver, Oklahoma, .92, Miami, .58, Sunray, .35, and McLean, .32 inches of rainfall. But they slapped it out of the park yesterday. But take a look at that SPC's outlook out of Norman, Oklahoma. You can see that general thunderstorms up around I-27 and north and southbound, marginal from down here, and then slight risk down toward the Hub City area, basically in the West Texas region, or the South Plains region, pretty much, and then enhanced risk south onward. But nothing to worry about for us, because it's all going to be down south, so that way. But we'll have general rainfall in the shade of light green that you could see throughout whenever type of day it is. Then for Friday, you can see that marginal risk. So taking a look at the radar and satellite, you see this big square of yellow around the South Texas region and the South Plains. That's because we have thunderstorms, and then you have this low pressure system, this storm system moving east. And then currently taking a look at the radar satellite as of today, it looks like it's a thunderstorm warning over there for I-25 corridor. So a little bit of rain and coolness down south of I-27. So let's zoom in on this guy right here on I-25. If you're on I-25, I'd slow down immediately. That's some big old hail, I believe, golf ball, baseball size hail with 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts. And that's moving to the southeast. Southeast about probably about 20 to 30 mile an hour. So basically, a little bit of this rainfall is moving to the east. So take down south. This has been reissued. This is thunderstorm warning for south of Portales in this county region. I'm not familiar with New Mexico, so then we have another one for Lubbock County. This is a rotator right here. This is a rotator, as you can see right there. It's rotating. You got that big old hail in there, that golf ball, baseball side. It's moving its way southeast. So if I'm in that path, I'm putting the car in the garage, but nothing to worry about for us down there. So currently looking at forward in time, you can see all this dissipating. All these storms are gone by Friday morning at 8 o'clock. And then we focus on some new cells firing up west at Tucumcari. But those are all diminishing as we go further. Saturday around 4, we see a little bit of showers around Paducah and Childers outside the viewing area. And then around 10 p.m., a little bit of showers up northwest of Clayton. And that's when we're going to see them storms roll over in Oklahoma again. So 68 in Childers, out to 70, Portal 73, big winter today. So 64 degrees, that's the high. We're advertised 86, 104 from 2011. And then low of 56, average low of 58. And current winds as of 520. Barely breezy, about maybe 5 to 10, 15 miles per hour. Roy McCoy downtown camera looks like this, and a little bit of overcast day, 61 degrees. It feels like 61, winds out east-northeast at 15 miles per hour. So day planner for your Friday, 52 degrees, and it's going to be warming up by then. So in the morning, we're going to start off 52, and then we're going up to 80. How about that? Let's crank on the toaster, shall we? And then UV index looks like this, 20 minutes or less, and it's a level 10. So, and then looking at this 5-day forecast +2. Friday, 80 degrees. We're warming up. We're cranking on the oven. We're cooking on fire. We got the vinegar. We got olive oil. We got the oven going. We got that turkey. We're cooking. So 94 on Wednesday. Man, fire up the oven. 7. Then we cool down. We hop in the fridge and cool down. 79 degrees. There's the info right there.